Today we talk about how can you enable available or status available message on your Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Zello app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. We just click here in this sign. It's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do, so you just click here on settings. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on available here. Then automatically it's going to add with you here. So available status message on your Zello app. So when you click on it, like you see here, it's enabled with us here available. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.